In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your HostGator email in Outlook. So if you're ready to make managing your emails a breeze, let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is open Outlook on your computer. It may seem like a simple step, but it's always good to start at the beginning. Once you've done that, you'll want to navigate to the account settings. You can usually find this under the File menu on the top left of your Outlook screen. From there, look for an option that allows you to add account. Click on that, and you'll be ready to enter your HostGator email address. When prompted, type in your complete email address associated with your HostGator account, and make sure to select the option for manual setup. This is important because it gives us the control to fine-tune the settings just the way we need them for optimal performance. Now, you'll be asked to choose your email protocol. For most cases, you'll be deciding between IMAP or POP3. IMAP is generally preferred since it syncs your emails across multiple devices. POP3 is a bit more old school, storing emails directly on your device. Pick the one that best suits your needs. We'll use IMAP for this demonstration as an example. Up next is configuring the incoming and outgoing mail servers. This might sound technical, but don't worry, it's straightforward. For both the incoming and outgoing mail servers, you'll input mail.yourdomain.com. Be sure to replace yourdomain.com with your actual domain name. This setup helps ensure that your emails are properly routed through your HostGator server. Now let's move on to your username and password. For the username, enter your full email address again, just to keep it consistent. As for the password, use the one associated with this email account. It's crucial to double check both of these for any typos because they're essential for successful login and email retrieval. With those entered, the next thing you'll need to do is configure the ports. This step ensures your emails are securely sent and received. If you've chosen IMAP, set the incoming port to 993 with SSL security. For POP3 users, that will be port 995 with the same SSL setting. Then regardless of whether you chose IMAP or POP3, set your SMTP, the outgoing port, to 465 with SSL. These settings help encrypt your email exchanges, keeping your communications secure. Finally, it's time to test the account settings. Simply find the Test Account Settings button and click it. Outlook will check